Maintaining good liver health is essential for overall well-being and longevity. Lifestyle factors such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, limited alcohol consumption, and avoidance of harmful substances are important for preserving liver function. Number 1. Immune function, the silent guardian. The liver is a crucial component of the body's immune system, serving as a silent guardian against invading pathogens and harmful substances. Here's a closer look at how the liver contributes to immune function. As blood flows through the liver, it undergoes a thorough screening process. The liver's specialized cells, known as hepatocytes, are equipped with a sophisticated network of immune cells, known as Kupffer cells. These cells act as the liver's own immune system, patrolling the bloodstream for foreign particles, including bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Kupffer cells are adept at recognizing and engulfing harmful particles, effectively removing them from the circulation. This process helps prevent potentially dangerous substances from entering the general bloodstream and causing systemic harm. In addition to removing pathogens, the liver detoxifies various harmful substances, including drugs, chemicals, and metabolic byproducts. It processes these substances, converting them into less harmful forms that can be safely excreted from the body. The liver plays a significant role in the production of immune proteins, including components of the complement system. This system consists of a group of proteins that work together to enhance the body's immune response. It helps clear pathogens, promote inflammation, and stimulate immune cells. During an immune response to infection or injury, the liver produces a group of proteins known as acute phase proteins. These proteins play various roles in the body's defense mechanisms, including regulating inflammation, promoting tissue repair, and aiding in the clearance of pathogens. The liver also contributes to immune tolerance, a crucial aspect of immune function. It helps regulate the body's response to both foreign substances and self-antigens, preventing inappropriate immune reactions that could lead to autoimmune disorders. The liver serves as a central hub for immune cell trafficking. It contains specialized structures, such as the liver sinusoids, that facilitate the movement of immune cells to and from the liver. This allows for coordinated immune responses against infections and other threats. Liver transplantation is a testament to the liver's immune function. During a transplant, the recipient's immune system must be carefully managed to prevent it from attacking and rejecting the donor liver. Immunosuppressive medications are often used to regulate the immune response and ensure the success of the transplant. In summary, the liver's role in immune function is integral to the body's defense mechanisms. Its ability to filter blood, remove pathogens, produce immune proteins, and regulate immune responses contributes to overall health and well-being. The liver's multifaceted involvement in immune function underscores its significance as a vital organ in maintaining the body's defense against infections and other threats. Blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding. The liver plays a pivotal role in the intricate process of blood clotting, also known as coagulation. This mechanism is essential for preventing excessive bleeding when the body is injured. Here's a more detailed look at how the liver accomplishes this vital task. The liver is responsible for synthesizing a range of specialized proteins known as clotting factors. These factors work in harmony to orchestrate a complex cascade of reactions that lead to the formation of a blood clot. The coagulation process can be thought of as a cascade with multiple steps. It involves two primary pathways: the intrinsic pathway, which begins within the bloodstream, and the extrinsic pathway, which starts outside the bloodstream at the site of injury. These pathways converge at a central point and ultimately lead to the formation of a stable blood clot. One of the critical outcomes of the coagulation cascade is the conversion of soluble fibrinogen into insoluble strands of fibrin. These strands create a mesh-like structure that traps blood cells, forming a stable clot. Platelets, small cell fragments in the bloodstream, play a crucial role in hemostasis, the process that stops bleeding. The liver produces substances that activate platelets, causing them to become sticky and adhere to the damaged blood vessel wall. This initial plug of platelets helps to seal the wound temporarily. While the formation of blood clots is essential for preventing excessive bleeding, it's equally crucial that the clotting process is finely regulated. The liver produces anticoagulant proteins, such as antithrombin and protein C, which help control and inhibit coagulation, ensuring that blood clotting occurs only where and when needed. After a wound has healed, it's essential to remove the clot to restore normal blood flow. The liver produces substances like plasminogen, which, when activated, helps dissolve the fibrin clot in a process called fibrinolysis. Liver disease can have a significant impact on the coagulation process. In conditions where liver function is compromised, such as cirrhosis, the synthesis of clotting factors may be impaired. This can lead to a higher risk of bleeding. Paradoxically, liver disease can also disrupt the balance, potentially leading to an increased risk of abnormal blood clot formation in certain circumstances. Given the liver's integral role in blood clotting, assessments of clotting factors and other coagulation parameters are often included in liver function tests. These tests provide valuable information about the liver's ability to support the coagulation process. In summary, the liver's contribution to blood clotting is fundamental for preventing excessive bleeding and maintaining hemostasis. Its synthesis of clotting factors, regulation of the coagulation cascade, and production of anticoagulant proteins are all essential components of this intricate process. The liver's role in coagulation underscores its significance in ensuring the body's ability to respond effectively to injuries and maintain overall health. Number 3. Regulation of blood sugar levels, the glucose maestro. The liver plays a central role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, a critical aspect of overall metabolic health. It achieves this through a series of intricate processes that involve both the storage and release of glucose. Here's a more detailed look at how the liver manages blood sugar levels. The liver is a key player in glucose homeostasis, the process of maintaining a steady concentration of glucose in the bloodstream. This balance is crucial for providing a constant supply of energy to cells, particularly those in the brain and muscles. When blood sugar levels drop, as can happen between meals or during physical activity, the liver steps in to provide a quick and reliable source of energy. It does this by breaking down stored glycogen back into glucose in a process called glycogenolysis. This glucose is then released into the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. In addition to utilizing stored glycogen, the liver can also produce glucose from non-carbohydrate sources through a process called gluconeogenesis. It synthesizes new glucose molecules from substances like amino acids, from proteins, and glycerol, from fats. This is particularly important during fasting or periods of low carbohydrate intake, ensuring a constant supply of glucose for the body's vital functions. The liver has the unique ability to both take up and release glucose from the bloodstream, depending on the body's needs. When blood sugar levels are high, the liver can absorb excess glucose and convert it into glycogen for storage. Conversely, when blood sugar levels are low, it can break down glycogen and release glucose back into the bloodstream. If you've enjoyed this video and helped you learn more about liver health, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that each week we release a brand new, life-saving video, you'll get notified right away.